Now I am going to introduce this new capacitor into the driver circuit by using this soldering machine. So this is the new capacitor. So we have to insert this new capacitor into the driver where the old capacitor was damaged. So I have removed that old capacitor. At the same place I am going to introduce this new capacitor with the same rating. In electronic circuit, whenever you are connecting components or circuit, it is necessary to remember the polarity. So here, while doing this work, I have noted all those polarities. So this is the LED strip I have collected from the old damaged tubelight, in which the strip is working but the driver was damaged. Driver was damaged means the capacitor was damaged. So I have replaced that capacitor with the new one. So for my convenience, I am cutting the wire when comparing with the other wire because the smallest length wire is nothing but negative polarity and the bigger one is nothing but positive polarity. So polarity is mandatory to remember. We have to remember that polarity. Now I will connect these connecting pins to directly to AC supply. Then we will check whether the LED strip is working or not. So this is the extension board I have taken. So in this extension board the switch is not working. So directly I am operating with the main power supply, nothing but the switchboard which is connected to wall. So actually this is extension board in which the particular switch is not working, but connection is okay. The plug connecting wires are okay. As a switch is not working, I am making the use of the switchboard of wall. So you can see the LED strip is working on replacing the capacitor. Now I will again insert this LED strip into that white colored panel because the brightness is very large, so we can't directly see. So that's why we have to introduce this LED strip back into the panel, LED panel, white colored LED panel, that tube, LED tube. So now I am going to extend these connecting wires because the length of this connecting wires is very small. So I am going to extend these connecting wires which has to be connected to AC power supply directly. So I have connected two wires and insulated with the tape. Now I am going to introduce this LED strip back into the tube, white colored tube. So this is the driver. It is not completely inserting into the tube. So once again I would like to check the functionality with this plastic casing tube. So I am going to connect So it is working, you can see. Actually here I did not inserted the complete length of the strip into tube, so that's why the lower one it is not going to be looking like a glowing.